About to make beans. Yeah, all the spices. You have ginger, garlic, onion, pepper, green spices, bell peppers, and tomatoes all mixed together and line, and I cook like this. Then I'll go in with my beans which I boiled already. Here's our beans mixed together, and here is the beans. You allow it to cook for, the beans is ready already, but you just allow it to cook for like 5 minutes and it's good to go. This beans is to be eaten with fried plantain. That's why it's dry like this. Say that to eat pop dodo or boiled ripe plantain. Okay, the beans is ready. You can see, so yummy to be eating with fried dodo. So I'll fry the plantain right away. Combination of black and red beans. Yep, I always like to mix my beans. Sometimes I mix it with 3 different colors, different types of beans. Okay, enjoy. Happy weekend.